Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the stock of Nuverra Environmental Solutions Inc, and the ticker symbol for this is NES. Now this stock has been falling down if you are looking at the quarterly, half yearly or probably the Y2D and the yearly performance, but in the last 1 week the stock has recovered quite a lot, up by more than 38%, and moreover it is clearly visible on the volatility index as well, where you can see the monthly volatility is 13%, whereas the week's volatility went up to 30% overall. So this is a big jump what we have seen, and still we have some scope, I would say a big scope, because the stock is down by more than 69% if you're looking at the 52-week high. Apart from that, the volume has also increased, so the average volume here is 25.52k. So the volume has indeed increased. Now what's comforting over here is price to book, which is I would say very low. 0.25 is very low. It is far away from 1, so the comforting side over here. And if you're looking at the rest of the things, I mean most of them are positive, negative, or it is falling down as far as the trailing 12 months fundamentals are concerned. Overall, institutional ownership is 91%, so you can't see much of liquidity in the market. That's also a thing. We will come back to the news, but let's see any. Okay, so as far as the insider trading is concerned, so although these are old numbers or probably new numbers, December 2021 we have here. Okay, so these are all sale transaction, as you can see, in February and then in December, right? So these are all sale figures we have here. Let's go to the news. Let's go to the news and see if there is any positive which is happening right now. So this is what we have, I think, the latest one. So Select Energy Services enters into a definitive agreement to acquire Nuverra Environmental Solutions and closes the acquisition on the acquisition of the US onshore assets of HB Rentals. So Select Energy Services, a leading provider of sustainable full life cycle water and chemical solutions to the US unconventional oil and gas industry, today announced it has entered into an agreement to acquire Nuverra Environmental Solutions for total consideration of approximately $45 million, including an assumption of approximately $20 million of long-term debt net of cash. Under this agreement, Nuverra stockholders will receive approximately 4.2 million shares of Select Class A common stock in exchange for all the outstanding shares of Nuverra. So here it is, because there is an acquisition on the way. You can definitely see some moves. So now we do not need anything else, because we know the reason behind this. So now if you are looking at this particular stock, what we have here is your big support, okay, at 1.32. so this is your stop loss. Now if you are looking on the upside, so there are a couple of levels to look at. Let me show it to you. So primarily, because an acquisition is announced, so there is a probability of further volatility on the upside. So the first target we have here is 3.5, then we have 4.24, and the upper end of the range for the time being is 5.9 and 6.5. So this is the big range we have here. Now beyond 6.5, there will be some big targets like 14 or 26, but this is out of the context right now. What we have here is a range which is in between 1.3 and 6.5 on the upside. So this is how we're going to look at as far as the trend is concerned. But most importantly, do not go below the specific downside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.